Hi, I'm MarialynSabior. In this lesson, I will explain to you on how to find the union and intersection of sets. I will start with the definition of the union of sets. Union of the two sets A and B, denoted by A union B, is the set of all the elements that belong to set A or B or both. So it is denoted by this symbol. This mathematical symbol means OR. So instead of saying A union B, we can also say A or B. So to illustrate the union of the two sets, we have here an illustration. So we set this circle as our set A, and the other circle is our set B. So, by the definition, we can illustrate the union of two sets by this. Since the union of two sets is basically the combination of the elements in set A and the elements in set B. So, let's proceed to our examples. For example number 1, we have if set A has the elements of 1, 2, and 3, and set B has the elements of 4, 5, and 6, find A union B. So, for our solution, we need to find A union B. So first, you need to list all the elements in set A, which is 1, 2, and 3. Next, we also need to list the elements of set B, which is 4, 5, and 6. So our A union B has the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now for example number 2, we have if set X has the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and set Y has the elements of 4, 8, 12, and 16, find X union Y. So for our solution, we need to find X union Y. So first, we need to list the elements of set X, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we list the elements of set Y, which is 4. So since we have already 4 in our new set, no need to write 4 twice. So let's proceed to 8. 8, 12, and 16. Therefore, our X union Y has the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12, and 16. So for our last example, if set E has the elements of A, B, and C, and set F has the elements of C and D, we need to find E union F. So for our solution, E union F we have first release the elements of set E, which is A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Next, the elements of F, which is C and D. So since we already have C here, so we don't need to write C again. So let's proceed to D. So we have here D. Therefore, our E union F has the elements of A, B, C, and D. So let's proceed to the intersection of sets. So intersection of two sets, A and B, denoted by A intersection B, is the set of all elements that are common to A and B. So intersection of set has this symbol. And this symbol means and. So we can also say A and B instead of A intersection B. So to illustrate intersection of two sets, we have here the illustration. So we set this circle as our set A and this circle our set B. So intersection of sets are the common elements in set A and in set B. So we illustrate this here. Since this part is the common in A and in B. So let's proceed to our examples. Okay, for our example number 1, we have if set A has the elements of 1, 2, and 3, and set B has the elements of 2, 3, and 5, find A intersection of B. So for solution, we need to find A intersection B. So let's take a look at the two sets and determine what are common elements. So in A we have 1, and in B we don't have 1 here, so 1 is not common to the two sets. We have 2 in set A and 2 in set B, so the 2 is common in the two sets, so we have 2 here. And 3, we have also 3 in set B, so this is also common in two sets. And 5, we don't have 5 in set A, so our A intersection B has the elements of 2 and 3. Now, for our next example, we have if set K has the elements of Ken, Mickey, John, and Ella, and set L has the elements of Jimmy, Carl, Ken, and John. Find K intersection L. So for our solution, so we need to find K intersection L. So let's take a look what are the common elements. So we have Ken, and John. Therefore, our K intersection L has the elements of Ken and John. For our third example, we have if set A has the elements of 3, 6, 9, and 12, set B has the elements of 4, 8, 12, and 16, and set C has the elements of 6, 12, and 8, 12, 18, and 24. Find quantity A intersection B intersection C. So for our solution, we need to find the quantity A intersection B intersection C. So first we need to operate the operation in the parentheses. So let's find A intersection B. So we have, what are the common elements in A and B? So we have 12, 12 only. Now, let's find A intersection B intersection C. Since we have already this elements in A intersection B, which is 12, then let's find the intersection of 12 in the set C. So our set C here has 6, 12, 18, and 24. So their common elements is just the number 12. Therefore, our quantity A intersection B intersection C has the element of 12. And that ends our discussion. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want to practice your skills in finding the union and intersection of set, just click the link below for more exercises.